Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we customize this font size setting guys. You can see guys, you want to decrease this font size, so guys you can decrease, and guys you can customize yourself guys which size guys you think guys it's good, then guys you can operate your phone, so you can customize yourself. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to customize font size in our vivo phone. So friends, first of all open your phone setting guys, click on display and brightness guys, click on font size. So you can see guys, we have guys this for 1 to 5 sizes, so you can customize yourself guys which guys you can use like that. By first small size, default, large, extra large, and guys larger size. So which size guys you think guys you can operate your phone, so I will click on guys this default size, and guys come back. So as you can see guys, I have customized this default font size in my vivo phone. So you can customize yourself which size guys you think guys it's properly sized, then guys you can operate your phone, so as you can set yourself. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video.